This is the Ford F-150 13th generation, and a lot of people ask about the torque of the wheel nuts, wheel bolts. In these vehicles, the torque is 150 pound-feet, 204 Newton meters. What does it mean for the owner? It means that, of course, you will not have a torque wrench with you when you're installing the spare wheel, for example. So you need to hand tighten these bolts as strong as you can, but avoid foot tightening. So don't tighten the bolt with your foot. Otherwise, you're gonna damage the hub, damage the thread here, and have some issues. You will need to invest money in repairs and maybe the new hub, new bolts, even new disc. So be careful with that. Hand tighten these bolts and then go to the nearest repair shop or tire shop and ask them to check if the torque of the bolt is okay. This is what you need to do. Avoid foot tightening these bolts. This is one of the most common mistakes and one of the most common reasons why you need to replace a lot of hub parts after that.